In the verdant tapestry of a spring garden, Lily of the Valley stands as a quintessential emblem of timeless elegance and delicate allure. Amidst the symphony of blossoms, its dainty, bell-shaped flowers exude a sweet, intoxicating fragrance that enchants the senses and captivates the soul. In this comprehensive guide, we embark on a botanical odyssey, delving into the intricate nuances of planting and nurturing Lily of the Valley, unlocking the secrets to cultivating a flourishing haven of floral splendor. 1. Known by its botanical moniker Convallaria majalis, this perennial gem hails from the woodlands and shaded alcoves of Europe and Asia, where it thrives amidst the dappled sunlight and humus-rich soil. 2. Unveiling nature's canvas before delving into the practicalities of planting. Let us pause to behold the canvas upon which nature paints its masterpiece. Picture a tranquil glade bathed in the soft glow of dawn, where shafts of sunlight filter through the emerald canopy, casting a gentle luminescence upon the forest floor. It is within this hallowed sanctuary that Lily of the Valley finds its natural habitat, nestled amidst mossy banks and fern-clad alcoves. 3. Preparing the horticultural stage as stewards of our garden sanctuary, it falls upon us to prepare the horticultural stage upon which our botanical divas shall dance. Select a site suffused with dappled shade, where the sun's rays caress the earth with a gentle touch. Enrich the soil with the elixir of fertility, blending compost and aged manure to create a nurturing bed for our floral starlets. 4. Planting the seeds of splendor with our stage set and our soil enriched. The time has come to plant the seeds of splendor. Acquire rhizomes or pips from a reputable nursery, ensuring they are plump with vitality and brimming with potential. Gently nestle them into the embrace of the earth, their tender shoots poised to unfurl in a verdant symphony of life. 5. Nurturing nature's treasures. As custodians of our floral realm, it is incumbent upon us to nurture nature's treasures with tender care and unwavering devotion. Water our botanical darlings with the elixir of life, ensuring they remain quenched and nourished throughout their sylvan sojourn. Mulch their verdant beds with a blanket of organic matter, shielding their delicate roots from the chill of winter's embrace. 6. Embracing the dance of growth as the seasons wax and wane. So too shall our floral companions grow and flourish beneath the benevolent gaze of the sun. Embrace the dance of growth with open arms as tendrils unfurl and blossoms bloom in a kaleidoscope of color and fragrance. Take solace in the knowledge that you have played a part in nature's eternal symphony, weaving threads of beauty and wonder into the tapestry of existence. 7. Navigating nature's vicissitudes. Yet, as with all things in life, our botanical odyssey is not without its trials and tribulations. Navigate nature's vicissitudes with grace and fortitude, confronting pests and diseases with a stalwart resolve. Arm yourself with knowledge and vigilance, safeguarding our floral companions from the depredations of adversity. Basking in nature's bounty, and so, as the final petals unfurl and the last notes of the floral symphony fade into the ether, let us bask in nature's bounty with hearts full of gratitude and reverence. For in the quiet majesty of a spring garden, we find solace and renewal, a sanctuary of beauty and wonder amidst the tumult of the world. In conclusion, the journey of planting Lily of the Valley in your spring garden is a testament to the timeless beauty and ephemeral grace of nature's bounty. May your garden flourish and thrive, a verdant oasis of life and color amidst the ever-changing tapestry of existence.